What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little thrift with me video. So we're gonna go hit a Goodwill. I think Tara's gonna come as well. And we're gonna see if we can find any goodies for fall time. It's not really cold here in LA yet, but we are heading into a sort of chilly weekend, so I might be able to wear some cute fall stuff then. I'm going to a Goodwill that I've never been to before too, which is always exciting because it may be a really good one. So let's go. Hey, for Jill? Great. All right, we're at Goodwill. Made it to Tara, and we're about to go inside and start looking around. Found a few little things so far, and this shirt says, "Dear Santa, I tried."
We've stumbled across something.
What is this?
Is it like a horse?
Like maybe?
Oh, it has to be. Wait, it has to be. But I don't know.
Interesting stuff.
Yeah,
here.
Unique.
Oh.
That's really cute. Halloween?
Halloween anymore?
I'll be a Powerpuff Girl with you.
That would be
Wait,
fun.
Jill, I'm in.
So, do we need this or?
I mean, probably could pass, but you know, it's a good idea.
All right, we've migrated to the men's section. Always the best. Where the magic happens. Yeah. You can find like oversized t-shirts, oversized sweaters. Yeah, but we have some success so far. I feel like I'm doing pretty well. I have like 4 or 5 things here. That's, oh, look at you.
But these are just like, if I like it a little bit.
Totally.
Grab and go.
For sure, yeah.
Figure it out.
I feel you. So it's a few days later now, and I'm going to hit another Goodwill today. I figured I wanted to get a few more things so I could show you like a full haul at the end of this video. Super excited to look back at the stuff that I got the other day because I don't even remember all of it, I don't think. And also to see if we can find anything good today. So let's hit it. Hey, for Jill? Yeah. Great. Hi, thank you. Goodwill number 2. What do you have for me? In the home decor section, and this is a really cute little vase. I feel like this would be cute in Tara's place. Like she would definitely get that. But I don't think it really matches like the earthy tone thing I have going in my place. It is really cute though. These are interesting. This thing is pretty cool. It's only $2. Oh my god, it's so loud. Like, what's happening? Anyway, I feel like this would look cute on a shelf, but it doesn't stand up on its own. So, I don't know what to do. That was so loud, I don't understand. I also thought this thing was sort of cool, but again, I'm just not sure where to put it. But it sort of has my like earthy toned vibe thing that I have going on in my place. Literally every time I go thrifting now, I find juicy couture pieces. Like, you would never find these in a thrift store 10 years ago. No. You don't need to pay whatever the 150 bucks for it is or whatever it costs. Menswear, where I usually find most of the stuff I get, but I found a few things. I don't know if I'll get either, to be honest, but we'll see. Look at all this old VHS. Prince of Egypt, love that one. House Bunny, just watched that recently and still like it. Oh my god. An expansion pack for The Sims 1, House Party. I'm so dead. Across the Universe, good one. Oh my god, and Babe. I haven't seen this in forever, but I remember it from being a kid. Alrighty, we're back home, and I say we do a little try-on haul of all of our goodies. Molly's going to help, and then we will transform them for the ones we are going to transform, and otherwise just appreciate the things we got. And do a roundup at the end of how much everything cost. All right, starting with jackets. This is actually the only piece of clothing I ended up getting today. The brand is Barami. It's not something that I recognize, but it's a size 0, which is great. And I got it for $9.99, which I think is a pretty good price. It fits me really nicely. I could button it if I wanted to. And I think it's nice, like I can definitely wear it professionally, but I also would wear it like with an outfit like this when I was going out somewhere. So I think it was a good find. And I don't have any like neutral colored jackets like this, so I'm all about it because I love my neutrals, especially during this time of year. All right, here is the other jacket that I got. I got this last time I was thrifting, and holy moly, I'm obsessed with it. First of all, again, fits me amazingly. Molly is apparently very into this blazer. But I just think that it's so cute. It'll look so great with just a pair of jeans and like a white tank. And really cool because it's from Zara, but it only costs $10. So definitely a steal. Okay, Molly. What, you like the new jacket? You're a psycho. Get out of here. Move it. Next, this obviously needs some transforming, but I love it. It is so soft, and another awesome brand, it's North Face. So crazy, and I got this for $7. It's actually a men's piece. This is a men's medium. So what I plan to do is just crop it. I crop literally every single sweater I own, so we're just gonna do that, and then it should be a really cute, fun little piece, little zipper here. And it's just comfy and cozy for when I feel like having a nice cozy day. All right, and this is actually our last clothing piece, this sweater here. I love it. It's a little bit long, so I just did a little French tuck on the side, but I think it's so cute. Again, it's so soft and a steal. Let's see, $7. So for a really nice, like, quality sweater, and it's pretty lightweight, which is great for LA. I am super happy that I found this. Slouchy, fun, I'm all about it. And this is the very last thing that I got. I picked this up today as well. It's just this giant, I guess it's a vase pot thing. Molly. Let's see, I got it for $5.99, so I think that's a really good price. Hopefully these stickers come off easily. And let me show you where I'm planning to put it. So I believe I'm going to have it live over here when Halloween or like fall time is over. Obviously, it won't stay here right now. We'll find a different place for it for now, but let's set it up so that we can get a vibe and see if that is where I want it. All right, there we go. I feel like I'll probably play around with styling this, like what else I'll put over here, but I think I like that overall. I like that it adds a little bit of height on this side of my TV. And I think the color just works perfectly with the color scheme that I have in my apartment. So really pleased with this find. All right, so there is our haul. And I think that sweater that we're gonna crop is really the only thing that we need to alter. So let's do it so we can see the final product. All right, we have our sweater here. Oops, this is not the right sweater. All right, here we are back with the correct sweater. And I'm just going to lay it out as flat as possible. Make sure the seams are all lined up correctly. And then I just have a sweater that I've already cropped. So I'm gonna use this as a guide, but if you don't know how cropped you want your sweater to be, just try it on and make a little mark on it somehow. Now, if you do have something that's already cropped, the key is to line up the shoulders and then pull down from there so it's all lined up. Of course, I have my fabric scissors. If there's one thing my grandma taught me, it's that you never cut fabric with paper scissors and you never cut paper with fabric scissors. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead along the bottom here. All right, there we go. And now I'm just gonna take a look. Like, some of these edges are a little raw, so I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit. Good to go, let's try it on. And here we have it. It is a great length to wear just like this, which I really like, or if I want a little bit more shape, I can tuck it in to the top of my pants, get a little French tuck going on the side. It's super cozy and comfy, and I really like how slouchy and cute it is. Looks like Molly likes the scraps of it. Yeah, you like the little scraps? You have it wrapped around you? Come here. Let's wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love everything that I got, and in total I spent $39.95, which I think, Molly, which I think is a total steal considering the brands that I found. That Zara blazer probably cost $50. This North Face sweater probably cost $50. Those were the brands that I was most familiar with that I got, but I mean, just right there with those two pieces, that's $100. I literally don't think $39.95 could have even bought this sweater for new. So it was super fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some ideas of some pieces that you can look for at your local Goodwill or thrift store, wherever you like to go. And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye, guys.